You've probably heard of Chat, an AI tool that lets you chat with an AI. So what is it, and how does it work? Well, imagine you have a super smart friend who knows a lot about many things and can help you with all sorts of tasks from writing to learning new things. That's kind of like Chat. But wait, there's more. This friend also has access to the internet so they can find the latest information on almost anything. And they can even generate all sorts of creative content like stories, jokes, and even code. How is this possible? Well, Chat is built using a technology called large language models, or LLMs for short. These are super complex algorithms that use deep learning to understand and generate human-like text. What makes Chat special is that it uses a technique called transformers, which allows it to handle conversations more naturally and accurately. In Part 1, we covered the basics of Chat. In Part 2, we looked at some practical ways to use it for learning and productivity. And now in Part 3, we'll explore more advanced, creative, and professional uses for power users and businesses. So let's dive in. Section 5, Creative Assistance. First up, let's look at some cool ways to use Chat for creative stuff. Did you know you can write scripts for YouTube videos with Chat? It's true. Just tell it the topic and the style you want, and it will generate a full script for you. Or if you want to tell stories, try using Chat as your co-author. It can help you come up with plot twists, character names, and even dialogue. And here's a fun one. Try role-playing with Chat. You can pretend to be historical figures, fictional characters, or even animals. For example, you can ask Chat to play the role of a wise old owl who gives advice to young mice. It's a great way to exercise your imagination and learn new things. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you with design concepts. If you're stuck on a project, ask ChatGPT for ideas or suggestions. You can even ask for feedback on your own creative work. Just paste your text or describe your project, and ChatGPT will analyze it and give you helpful comments. It's like having a second set of eyes and a sounding board for your ideas. And speaking of ideas, let's say you need some inspiration for social media posts. You can ask Chat to generate posts on various topics and even suggest relevant hashtags. You could even ask for help with branding. Ask it to create a tagline or slogan for your business or product, and it will generate several options for you to choose from. It can even help you with marketing copy. Ask it to write a product description or a landing page, and it will generate some compelling text that highlights the benefits of your offering. And finally, did you know that ChatGPT can even generate or edit images? It's true. Although it cannot directly create images itself, it can help you by providing descriptions or prompts that you can use with other AI image generators such as Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. By using these tools together, you can create some amazing visuals for your projects. Alright, let's move on to Section 6, Advanced Features. For advanced users, ChatGPT includes 3 powerful features that can take your experience to the next level. First up is web browsing. With this feature, ChatGPT can access the internet and retrieve up-to-date information on any topic you request. This means you can get the latest news updates, stock prices, or even weather forecasts right from your chat window. It is like having a personal assistant who can fetch you any information you need from the vastness of the internet. But that's not all. ChatGPT also has the ability to understand and generate images. With this feature, you can upload an image and ask ChatGPT to analyze it and describe what's in it. You can also generate your own images by providing a detailed description to ChatGPT and then use its generated text as a prompt for an AI image generator. Now here's another exciting feature, custom instructions. With this feature, you can tell ChatGPT how you want it to respond to your requests. For example, you can ask it to use simple language or to be more formal or informal in its tone. You can even specify a writing style such as a poem, a code, or a script. It's like having a personal assistant who learns your preferences and adapts to them. And finally, we have memory. This feature allows ChatGPT to remember what you talked about earlier in the conversation so you don't have to repeat yourself. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to help you plan a trip and you tell it your budget and destination, it will remember that information and use it to give you relevant suggestions later in the conversation. Alright, now let's move on to Section 7, Professional and Business Uses. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for professionals and businesses looking to boost their productivity and efficiency. Let's explore some of the ways it can be used in professional settings. First up, let's talk about how chat can help with drafting important documents. Whether you need to write a policy proposal or a report, chat can assist you in creating clear and concise documents. Just provide it with the necessary information and guidelines and let it do the writing for you. This will save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. Next, chat can help with supporting Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. If you use these platforms, you can leverage chat to enhance your productivity. For example, you can use it to generate summaries of your emails or create templates for your documents. It can also help you with formatting and proofreading, ensuring that your documents are always polished and professional. Moving on, let's discuss how chat can help with training and e-learning. If you need to train your employees or create educational content, chat can be a valuable asset. It can help you develop interactive training modules or generate quizzes and tests to assess your learners' understanding. It can also provide you with feedback and suggestions for improvement, ensuring that your training materials are effective and engaging. Speaking of feedback, chat can also help with customer support. If you have a customer support team, chat can assist them in providing faster and more accurate support. It can help them generate responses to common queries or troubleshoot issues, freeing up your team to handle more complex problems. Additionally, chat can help with personal assistance. If you have administrative staff, they can use chat to perform various tasks such as scheduling appointments or making travel arrangements. It can also help them with research and data entry, increasing their overall productivity. And finally, chat can also help with data analysis. If you need to analyze data to make informed decisions, chat can assist you by generating charts and graphs that visualize your data. It can also help you interpret the data and draw meaningful conclusions, enabling you to make better decisions for your business. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from creative writing to professional applications. The possibilities with chat are truly endless. So don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries. And remember, you're only limited by your own creativity. But before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on chat? Have you tried it out yet? What do you think of its capabilities and potential? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. We can't wait to hear what you have to say. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. We've got plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.